SAS also provide an additional way where we can select those type of rows that meet a particular condition. So let's first look into our data. So let's say in our data, we only want to keep the information about female students. So we can use a where statement in that case. So we say where sex equals to F. Now, this says that only keep the observations where sex is equals to female. Let's run that. And this is the output. In addition, we can simply just decide, okay, now we only want information about female students, but with the age that is less than 15. So to do that, we can use and say we only want where the age is less than 15 and run that. And this is the output.